when your parent and my parent, they were born in the age of industrial age. When my son will grow, do you know what he will say to his friends? In which age his parents were born? Any guess? Stone is definitely not. We are in the age of internet. We are user of internet day, every day, and many times in a day. When he will grow up, at my age, I will tell, son, you are the age of Internet of Things. What is the internet? Anyone can tell what is internet? Website. Very good. So, internet has different perspective for different people. For common people, internet is something connect with one person to another person. For techies like him, internet is something that connect one computer system to other computer system. It may be at anywhere geographically. Let's name few things those are connected on internet. Can you tell me start naming the things that those are connected on internet? Rice cooker. TV. Aircon. Washing machine. Phones or laptops. These are the few things they are connected to internet. So there is a gray area between the things, between the internet that connects two people and the internet that connects the things. Rice cooker is not person. TV is not a person, it is a thing. Laptop is not a person. Laptop per se, it is not a person, it is a thing. In simple term, what is Internet of Thing? Anything, physical thing connected to the internet that can be monitored or that can be controlled remotely and work with other IoT. What does it mean? Your TV is on internet, but if it doesn't communicate with other things, it is of no use. What are the other things? Your remote is other things. Your TV, talk to your remote. Your washing machine is on the internet, but if you can't control using your smartphone, it's of no use. So think, as we have senses, we have ear, eyes, nose, skin and tongue. Things also have the senses. They can sense the data, say air pressure, temperature and things like this. Let me give you two concrete examples that most of the people use. A smartwatch. This is a classic example of Internet of Thing. What it do? It communicates with another thing, that is your phone. It communicates with your laptop, that is again a thing. And not only this, it's collect lot of data that you yourself don't know, and in future it will be used by your doctor to treat your historical diseases. Second example, that is also very practical example, at least in our society, is home camera. You have a pet in your house. No one is in house and you are working at your office. You want to see how your pet is doing, or how a child is doing, or how a aged person who is at home alone, how it is doing. What do? You install a cheap camera, and that you can control using your smartphone. Wherever you are, you can turn the camera, you can switch on the camera and you switch off the camera. Two things talking to each other over the internet. That is the whole concept of Internet of Things. How does it work? There will be something to control or monitor, and there will be something that is actually thing, and in between they are connected over network. They will sense a lot of data, so we need to store somewhere, and we store at the internet, so that later on someone can analyze it and make some use of it. That is in the simple term how the Internet of Things works. Where they are, ATM, I am taking out the money from the ATM, my ATM card is stuck, and someone will be monitoring from the bank and assisting me. Public transport, signal, a smart building, is it going to rain? Switch on the light. Connected home, is it going to rain? Switch off the window, close the window. Hospitality, that is, everyone has felt, you are in hotel, your air condition, geyser, everything is controlled by thing. Agriculture, how much water and how much pesticide you need to put in to get the good crop. And education, something where it is extensively used. In 2012, each of you have only one Internet of Things. In 2020, each of us will own 7 things. How it will be possible? It is possible using cheap computers like this. This is complete computer in itself, and that is the thing that is required. They are very cheap, just $35, and the smaller version is just $5. And this is how I use this one with my dumb TV to control the to make it multimedia. This is how I use to learn my operating system and development, and this is what I am learning. This is all about Internet of Things. Thank you very much.